it once again.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of stopping by or you are just strolling around YouTube, this is Make It Real TV. Guys, today we are going to be making a simple recipe of a Nigeria snacks called puff puff. It's actually originated from Nigeria, and this snacks is a very super easy snacks to make. You will just be needing these 4 ingredients: yeast, which is the main ingredient, and also we have our flour. This is actually all-purpose flour. Yeah, this is our flour. Some people call it flour though, but it is called flour in baking language. So that is what we do. So guys, this is our bowl that we are using. Then we'll add our flour to it. Then after the flour, we have to measure our sugar now. This is a 1 tablespoon full. This one is a measuring spoon, is equal to this one. They are the same. This is a tablespoon, this is a tablespoon. So it doesn't really mean that you must have this at home. When you have this, you are ready to go. So you just measure it now. 1, 2, 3, 4 is okay. It's okay guys. We just need a pinch of salt. So this salt, yep. See, it's just a pinch. You can just put a pinch. It's okay. You are good to go. Then the yeast comes. Oh guys, this yeast is just exact 1 tablespoon, as you can see. But the ones you have, if you are in a place where you don't have the yeast in, how will I call it, the other yeast, you can use the one in sachets. The one in sachet is equal to this one that I just used. Let me give you an example of that. Yes, this is an example of what I'm talking about. Yeah, this one is yeast. This one now is 7 grams, as you can see. Are you guys seeing it? Yes, 7 grams is equal to your 1 tablespoonful. Then you just use your hand to mix. Guys, please remember to wash your hands before you start this. Just because you are going to be using your hand all through. So that is it. Then you get your warm water, not hot but warm. It has to be warm, but not just cold, but hot a bit. Then you just put it like that. Yep. You make your dough to be very soft. Guys, when mixing it, you have to mix it in a way that when you are frying it will just be going like it has this fine shape. It actually starts like this. If you are mixing, you have to mix very well, like this. You can see the way I'm doing it. Just mix it. Don't be afraid of it. Mix it. Miss. Allow everything you have put to be incorporated. Yeah, you have to mix it. Yeah, like this. As you can see, the texture is like this, but to me it's still very thick. So we have to put a little water. That is enough. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, that is it. It's fine. After this, guys, you just cover it up with anything you have in your kitchen. Maybe your kitchen towel, maybe you have your ceiling plastic. You just anything that you can use to cover it. Then you put it in a place that is warm. So you are true, guys. See the texture. Yeah, you are true. You can just leave it. So we are going to cover this up now. Hello guys, this is actually the result of it. See our puff puff mixture. Hope you guys can see it though. Yeah, this is it. So it will actually just puff to like triple or double of the price. So you wash your hands again, then you just scoop like this. You do your hands, make sure you are seeing what I'm doing. Then you drop it into the oil. The oil has already hot a bit, so that is what you see when the oil have already hot. Not allow it to be too hot, guys. If not, your puff puff will just get burnt. We don't need that. So this is it. This is the puff puff. Our ogbonge puff puff is ready. Guys, you must do it. Look at the way I'm dropping into the oil. This is what will give you that round shape of the puff puff. Don't allow your puff puff to have ear. Some have horn. That is not actually what we want. We want our puff puff to just be super round. You can see it. I left the dough to puff for about 45 minutes. About 40 to 45 minutes. I just left it to be there. And I was doing other things before it will puff. Then just check on it. Once it is 30 minutes, you just check on it if it's okay to your desire. You can just start to fry. But if you see it's not okay, you can continue. So that is it. That is how it will look. I have to wash my hands now, so we allow it to dry a bit. This is it. This is your puff puff. Guys, you can see how beautiful this one is. So that is how your own is going to look. Please, if it's your first time, you are bound to make mistake. But if you can just follow my steps, no mistake, guys. You'll just be fine. Hello guys, yeah, this is how it will look. Yo. This is how it will look. You just leave it on the fire like 1 minute the other side and 1 minute the other side. I think like 3 minutes on the fire, you are done with your puff puff. And this is it. Yes, this is our puff puff. This is how it will look. Guys, don't forget that you have to leave it till it's doubled the size or triple the size, depend on the quantity you are doing. When you are doing much quantity, like the flour that I used 500 grams of flour. When you are using maybe 1,000 grams of flour, for those that don't understand gram, like I used half kilo, yeah, half a kilo. But when you are using 1 kilo, You have to make everything that we used today, you have to double everything. So guys, this is actually our puff puff. Yeah, this is it. It's ready, guys. Our puff puff is ready. So this is it. Let me tear it for you to see. This is how it look inside. Oh my god, this is how it look inside. As you can see, it's so fine inside, and it's so yummy. So you just try your own and leave a comment at the comment section and let me know. If you don't understand, just ask for the recipe again and again and again, and I will be glad to write it again and again. So God bless you, stay blessed, and see you soon.